Hello and welcome. You've made it to our next home that we just checked into here in beautiful Hollywood, California. So, bienvenidos. This is available on Airbnb, but we rented it directly from the owner. It's a gorgeous vintage style apartment. The building, maybe, I don't know, is from the 30s or 40s, I'm guessing, something like that. So check out this living dining area. The host here, this is his own home, and he has really great design sense, really great architectural skills because he's a professional. So he knows what he's doing, and that's why the place looks so beautiful. What do you think, Angel?
Yeah, it looks amazing. He's an architect and an interior designer. So
Right, let me turn this off.
You can tell by his good taste.
Yeah. So I love the vintage furnishings, the couch here. The lighting throughout this place is really cool. So I really like the lighting in every room because there's some kind of really interesting vintage lighting element. For example, here, I don't know if this is actually vintage, but the chandelier has a very eye-catching style. There's a lot of original artwork and photography around here too. Nice dining table and hardwood floors. I think these are hardwood floors.
Yeah, I think so.
And the exhibit area here with the dining. What do you call this?
I can't remember.
A side table. My mother used to have one. A server and a buffet table.
The buffet table.
This might be one of these two. Anyway, I love the vintage mirrors, complemented well by the
wallpaper.
The wallpaper or wall treatment. There's a kitchen over here, which has been renovated with some interesting, nice wood aspects to it, and so that's that. So let's walk over here. One of the other things I like about older buildings and older apartments is that you get more hallways. And so I know everybody. Oh, can you see Angel? He's like Alfred Hitchcock. You have to like watch because he shows up in every video, but you have to watch carefully or you miss him. But yeah, one of the things I like about vintage apartments, vintage buildings, is that everybody loves open concept now, but there's something to be said for having hallways and a separate kitchen and all that. So look at this hallway here, which also serves as a walk-through closet. It has one entire wall of closets and storage, which is really nice.
Again, nice chandeliers.
Yes, a great lighting here as well. Everything has a purpose here, a design purpose, and you can tell. This is a nice vintage dresser.
Looks like an Art Deco.
Which is really gorgeous and great shape. And this kind of furniture obviously is such high quality, it'll last forever. It'll last longer than we will. There's a bathroom in here if you want to take a look at the sink and the tub and shower and all that. So this is kind of old style. Angel, get this too because this is kind of cool. Has such
Rolex and a Michael Kors.
It's a Michael Kors watch.
Yeah.
But anyway, he has such good design sense that he even shows that. So show yourself, Angel, in the mirror, and then come out here, and we're going to see the bedroom, which is also beautiful. So come on out here. Angel, tell us more. What do you like?
Everything is really nice. Nice rugs and
okay. So this is the bedroom. This is a one-bedroom, one-bathroom apartment. It's a building with a pool, although I don't think we're allowed to use the pool, unfortunately, right now. But anyway, a nice big bed, which is kind of a platform king, or maybe California king. I'm not sure. But yeah, again, the lighting fixture here is this looks kind of maybe 70s or late 60s. I don't know, with the ceiling fan. I'm a big proponent of ceiling fans, no matter what style it is. Everybody should have a ceiling fan, and that's it. Our ceiling fan in New York doesn't work, unfortunately. So this is it, and then
they have Eames chairs.
Oh yeah, there's an Eames chair, which is really nice.
The dark
in the corner
walls.
Yeah, because that's like the apartment you lived in when I first met you. You had the dark walls. And anyway, so that's it. So this is our beautiful place. We're going to be here only 3 nights. This is wrapping up about approximately 3-week visit to Hollywood and West Hollywood in the Los Angeles area to see family. So we've been to Glendale also. We've been to Burbank. And we're really enjoying our visit. Very excited to be in yet another apartment here. We wiped down everything because that's what you do nowadays. So door handles, remote controls, light switches, like everything that's high touch, as they say, wipe it down. And when we go out, we wear a mask, obviously. So we got to stay safe and keep others safe too. Thanks for joining us. Follow me on Twitter and on Instagram, Mundera, and you'll see more of our trips.
Bye.
Have a good one.
Good night, everybody. Bye, everybody.